even my boyfriend's getting in the Chalktober day spirit. All right, I just popped off of Patreon where we did this Chalktober day drawing based off of this tattoo. So I will have all of those links to Patreon. This is kind of my setup. We just hung out here in my dining room and did some chalk art. So if you guys want to support this channel and check out that video, I will have that information in the description. I've been so busy working out in the garden, I've definitely fallen behind on Chalktober and injured myself. But I'm so excited because we got some new fruit trees, and that's what's gonna inspire today's design. So even though those apple trees don't really look like much, and they were put in a kind of neglected part of the garden, and I know that apple trees are already really tricky, but I hope with like a little love and care and some good soil repair that they will bloom and do as well as those Mexican sunflowers. So I came inside, turned on Snow White because I was thinking of Snow White's poison apple. So I turned on a movie, lit a candle, set the vibe, found a reference photo, and I am ready for today's Chalktober drawing. This image just came off of Google Images, and I saved it to my camera roll and got sketching. And I'm gonna be honest, this is not my favorite drawing, but I think with any like daily drawing challenge or anything in general, things, you know, you don't have to be a perfectionist about it, and things might not always work out 100%. Not every drawing is going to be your absolute favorite. So for today, I fiddle with it and mess with it and redraw it multiple times. And I guess if anything, this is a testament to kind of how forgiving chalk art can be, because you can just kind of wipe it off and redraw it. I should have just wiped the whole thing off and started over, but instead I'm gonna like draw it, smudge it out, clean it up, redraw it, smudge it out, redraw it, clean it up, redraw it over and over, and just keep messing with it until I'm happy, but not being a perfectionist and not stressing about it. The fun thing about chalk is it's just chalk, and it's very temporary in nature. So with these little drawings on the chalk wall, I just try and have fun with it. And this one was really special because I got to relate it to these new apple trees, and I got to watch one of my favorite Disney movies, Snow White. Maybe I was too distracted by watching the movie, or maybe it was just late in the evening and I just wasn't in the drawing frame of mind, but eventually I got there. Eventually, I think it turned out all right. There's a few more process or finished pictures over on Instagram if you guys are following over there, or if you are following on YouTube, make sure you are subscribed for more of these Chalktober drawings. Hopefully I can redeem myself a little bit. I would like to do more movie themed drawings. A commenter suggested doing my favorite Halloween movies, and that is just so exciting because there's so many good ones. Hocus Pocus, Nightmare Before Christmas. So make sure you guys are subscribed or following along over on Instagram if you want to see those. And thank you for hanging out with me today. Not much technique discussed or displayed today, but I still enjoy this series, and I hope you guys do also. So stay spooky, stay creative, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.